from China. It's going to be the last thing I add to my Twin Aeroscout here. After everybody loved the little wheels, we're going to put this on. What this is the Speedybee Meteor Light Kit. Really made for a drone, but I measured it, and these things are 30 inches long, which takes it back from the tail to about here. So we're going to put the light kit on. There we go. There, it's all wired up. I got it wired to a 2S battery here. And if you can see, both sides are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Alright, so you got this side of the plane doing the same thing the other side of the plane is. And here's the button that I can control them with. Alright, you see how that works? This little controller is just providing power. This little controller went to market. No, this little controller is providing both signals to power these. Alright, and I can switch it by the little switch. Do all kinds of stuff. But of course we can do it with the app too. Alright, that's one side. Then I'm going to string it all the way down and put the other side in. Once I get it all on there, I'm just going to put that back in. And this has got double-sided tape on it. And I'm just going to use it to put it on here. There's that side. All the way down the nice contour of the plane. That's one reason I saw these and bought these, because I was like, ooh, that would fit right along that stripe.
Twin Aeroscout, spooky wookie. Twin Aeroscout, everybody shiver. Twin Aeroscout, always deliver. Echt wunderbar und spooky, fast flying and spooky. Twin Aeroscout, boo. Twin Aeroscout, stereo.